Right, nothing yet. Maori Pa Rd. That's where we're turning into from Cable Bay. Follow this out to a beach that I've never been to. It's called Pippin Island. It's a farm, got a hot sauna. It's only open on the weekends. It's all fully booked, so I have to come back. Grass is hard to ride on. I thought that the road would take me to a beachfront, but it's massive mud flats to bike through. So I'm just thinking about riding my bike to the beach. I just want to see how squishy and sinky things are. I guess if cars are driving on it, which I just saw a car towing a boat through this stuff, and there's lots of rocks, so it's not just like quicksand, which I don't want to ride into. Kind of checking it out. Oh, that's squishy, but not too bad. I've got my waterproof hiking boot. I'm going to try it out. Let's give it a go. That was all stony, pretty solid. Right, cut across here. Good on your bike. You did well. One happy camper right now. Yeah, it's quite dry. Oh, that's good. There's no squishiness. Oh, that's a relief. I felt a bit of anxiety then, wondering what the heck I was getting myself into. All that really would have happened was I would have got really muddy. Whoa. It's so quiet, so peaceful, so beautiful. The birds, the sun on my back. Hi. Very tempted just to do a quick walk around the rocks to look around the corner. Isn't it always tempting? Just what's around the corner. Alright, I guess it's time to get off the mud flats because it's going to be covered in water soon. Oh gosh, all these oyster shells are super sharp and could cut my tyres, so I'm going to avoid them now. There's my tracks, yay! Start the bike up. A little bit about my bike. It's a beat up 5-year-old bike I've had since 2021. I've ridden it lots. I love it. Gets me out in the sunshine, in the wind. Feel happy on my bike. I will put my helmet on when I get to the road. Oh, lots of holes. Oh. I'm not quite sure where I should be going. Maybe up here a bit higher where the water hasn't got back to yet to make it mushy. Bank. How the hell am I going to do that? Everything's muddy now. It's the bike. True adventure. 2 bars left in the battery, so I hope I can get back. But even if I run out of battery, it's all flat, so I just cycle. Wow, that log stuck in the tree shows you how wild the stream can get at times. Pretty fast running today. Pretty area. There's so much new planting going on of native plants to bring back the bush for the birds and insects, which is fantastic. Bring back the wetlands for the fish and the other creatures. Delaware Bay, 4 kilometres, so that's not far. Tons of battery left. We won't be pushing the bike home after all. Eggs, $8 a dozen. This is where that amazing old house is.